welcome to Tyke. Do you want to really know what Tyke is all about? Before starting this conversation, I thought I'd welcome you to know more about Tyke. Thank you for being here and watching this video. So if you're a parent and watching this, would you like to answer these few questions to yourself? And if you are an educator or an individual who would love to learn more about life, let me ask you these questions too. After reading these questions, do you feel there's a gap that you cannot fill or a question that you cannot answer? Right, this is the place to be. So many questions running around the head. What is Tyke all about? Why Tyke? When are we going to do it? How? How much? So many things you want to ask, right? Let me answer each question of yours. Our very first question. What is Tyke all about? It is about life skills. It is about communication, the words that you use to interact with each other, to build relationships. And that eventually will create empathy within you. Self-awareness. How do I look? What is my hair like? Am I wearing the right dress for the event? Tyke is all about this. Our second question. Why Tyke? To make each individual a smart individual. We want the children to be smart in the group that they are, in the school that they are, in the class that they are. Everywhere where they go, we want our children, our learners, our teachers to be smart. Expert guided learning. Though I'm not an expert in life skills, but yes, I have a 17 years of experience dealing with young kids and teachers too, training them to be smart learners. So I want to impart this knowledge to everybody around who wants to be smart. We all want our children to behave in the right fashion. We want to behave correctly when there are parents around us in our classrooms. We want to have a particular body language. It will also nurture us in our communication skills, will enhance our vocabulary, the way we talk, the way we smile. Smile is a big communicator. Social emotional bond is so critical in today's world. To connect with right people, to stay in the right state of mind, express the right emotions, the love that they have for each other, the love that they have for the environment, the love that they have for animals. We want that to dwell in them. And hence, life skills is something which is essential and a must in each and every individual. Last but not the least, we want to impress the crowd. Wherever we go, we want to be the showstopper. This is the place that we should be, Tyke. Third question, can you be a part of Tyke? Yes. If you're a kiddo, yes. If you're a learner, yes. If you're an educator, yes. Few more questions. When are we going to do it? We are going to start from September, evenings and thrice a week. How long is the session going to be? It's going to be for 60 minutes, which is about an hour. And how are we going to do it? Sit back home and enjoy the session on Zoom and have lots of fun. What's the age criteria? The age criteria is between 6 years to 12 years. And for learners, it's 12th pass onwards. Let me explain these sessions. In all, we have 60 sessions. Each module will have 10 sessions. So in all, we have 6 modules. So we have 6 modules, 10 each, 60 sessions. After every module, the learners will get an achievement card. This achievement card will be received only after a short assessment. What are the things that you will require? As I said, a laptop or a screen, which is a little wider than your mobile phones, and internet connection, and basic stationery in case if we have any activities like worksheets or drawings or something creative. What's more? You want to know more? Contact us. These are the few topics that we would cover: communication skills, etiquettes and manners, grooming, self awareness, thinking skills, creative thinking, and last but not the least, very important, safety. Tyke is everywhere on social media, but to contact us in person, there are two WhatsApp numbers which are provided. Kindly get in touch.